Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I've come to Birmingham Mela. So today there's a big Asian event going on in Birmingham, which there's quite a lot of singers will be coming today, such as Guru Randava, the Indian singer. So we've come here to see him and just to explore this Mela. So we've got the kids play area just here, and there's another one there, and this is just the entry way which we've just entered the park. It's a beautiful day today in Birmingham. You see a squirrel just there running away. And guys, we got the poster of the Mela here. Right then guys, we're at the Mela. Look at this. You got all the rides here. Mind blowing. Got some stalls on here. You got the stage all the way up there. It's great. You got a Red Bull car here. Check this out. Red Bull. You got bouncy castles here. Got the Mela VIP. Look at this. You take a photograph in that, so you stand behind it, and then you just take a photograph. You got plenty of stalls here. You got air ambulance here. You got some ladies' clothing here. Wow, this is amazing. Kids balloons on this side. You got a nice ice cream van here to treat yourself with ice creams. Look, you see the stage all the way down that way. That's where I'll be going very soon. Wow, look at this. Check this out. That looks good. What we got? Masala ones. Look nice. We got plenty more ladies' clothing here. Check these out, they got some special offers on here. £25 or £15 clothing. You got some scarves here. Different colour scarves. Plenty more scarves there. Wow, these rides look good. You got the bar here. Got some more ladies' clothing here. For bangles. Right guys, this side we got the food court here. So you got different kind of variety of food. Wow, they smell nice. They really smell nice. Right, let's try here. Let's show you guys. Got slush down there. If anyone fancy slush. Food out, guys. Oh. Wow. So you got samosa here. You got aloo tikkis.
Yes, please.
You got noodles.
You're right.
Right then, guys, I've gone for the samosa chaat. Samosa chaat. There you are. Now food getting ready. That looks beautiful. A bit of salad.
Yeah, normal pani. 16 pound. Which one, like spicy or normal?
Normal, please.
Normal.
Yeah.
Do chole bhature karke. Do chole bhature okay. And kya command?
Yes, please. Yeah. Bit of everything, please.
Of everything.
Yeah. Thank you.
Also, salt.
Yeah, take 2 spoons, please. Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. See ya.
Guys, here we are. I've got my samosa chaat here. Look at this. So what we get in the samosa chaat is you'll get a samosa, you'll get chickpeas, you get a bit of salad and all the sauces. That looks really good. Check this out. Look at the chickpeas on that. Very nice. So let's take a look at this samosa. So basically you can see that's just a plain potato samosa inside. So let's give this a taste. Look at that. Right. Oh wow, that's really good. You can taste the herbs and spices in that. It's very nice and warm, the samosa, and it's really amazing. Really good taste. Let's try the chickpeas with that. Wow, really nice. The chat was absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyed that. Right then, guys, we've got some kids' toys here. Got footballs. Plenty of variety of toys. We've got the stage here. Hey guys, so I've come to the VIP side of the backstage here. Got plenty of water there. Here we are. Wow. This is where all the artists come. Where you can meet artists here, the singers. Right then, guys, check these rides out here. Wow, this looks good. That looks amazing. Guys, we've got some kids keyrings here. Look at this. Lots to choose from. We've got Prime there. Red Bull, please, mate. Thank you very much.
There you go.
Excellent. Thank you. Right then, guys, we've got a free Red Bull here. It's a great atmosphere here, guys, today. Everyone's out and about today, having a good time.
John Nathaniel, please, for the Johnny Dancer!
Guru Randava's on his way now.
Shit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Shit. Shit. Heidi, Heidi, tera Heidi, gabru nu mare Heidi munde pagal ho gaye ne tere gid gid lakde hulare Hai nakhra tera ni Hai re ted gabru nu mare Heidi munde pagal ho gaye ne tere gid gid lakde hulare o teri tedi takni kamal kar gayi akhana akhana tu sabhal kar gayi everybody put your hands up बातें हैं कमाल कर गई आंखों ही आंखों में तू संभाल कर गई बर्मिंघम दे किन्ने मर्दे ने ओए देखने पहला तुम्हारे हाय नखरा तेरा हाय रेटेड गबरू नु मारे आ बर्मिंघम वाले पागल हो गए ने तेरे गिन गिन लगदे हुलारे हाय ओए 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 Everybody put your hands up! Thank you so much. Spotify presents Birmingham Mela. It's my first time here. I want to thank everybody जिन्होंने ये शो करवाया, जिन्होंने मुझे इत्थे बुलाया. I want to thank जिन्हें स्टेज लाई, जिन्हें साउंड लाया, जिन्हें ताड़े खड़े होने जगह बनाई, जिन्हें तुम्हारी एंट्री की, जिन्हें आप पूरे लाए. And I want to thank.
Right then guys, the Mela was absolutely incredible. It's finishing time of the Mela, so let's finish up the vlog here everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care and I'll see you all for the next one.